How's the property settlement worked out? Well, there's no starting point at 50-50, that's for sure. And often clients come and see me and think, well, shouldn't it be divided equally? That can be done. People can agree whatever they want. But as far as the Family Law Act goes, I want to share with you what is commonly used as the process. The first step, step 1, is what is the pool of property to be divided? There's the husband, there's the wife, and in there are the assets and liabilities which they currently have that need to be divided. It's common, since the ability to divide superannuation was brought into force, for there to be a separate pool for superannuation. Again, the husband and the wife, and I'm yet to tell you how it does get divided, but firstly put everything that they have into their two separate pools. It's called the two-pool approach. Then the step that follows, step 2, look at the contributions. Now, over a long marriage, contributions, both financial, non-financial, and the contribution as the parent and homemaker, are often equal, and maybe that's where the 50-50 idea comes from. But commonly at that step 2, you may have things such as a contribution through an inheritance, through what was brought in at the beginning of a relationship, things that are unusual in the marriage or the de facto relationship. But you need to identify those, and the longer the marriage, the more likely the contributions are to be equal. Step 3. Well, Section 75(2) of the Family Law Act has lots of items in it which are commonly called future needs. So the court has said, don't call it future needs, but if you have regard to what a person is going to need into the future, there you are, future needs. And that would include things such as income disparity, care of children under the age of 18, health, and all those things that may entitle somebody to have a greater share of the property because of their personal circumstances. So there you have it. How do you divide? Well, as I said, firstly, gather what there is. Secondly, look at the various contributions that both have put in. Very often equal over a long marriage, but if in a short marriage you may put each other back in the position you were at the beginning. And then the third step, look at the future needs, and particularly if there are young children, income disparity, or health issues. I hope that helps. Thank you.